on some of these headlines out of Washington?
For us, not so much. I do think the clarity is a welcome change directionally for most investors, including us. Earnings really won't change all that much for companies, but the multiple investors are willing to pay will benefit.
Why?
Well, clarity is always welcome. It's the uncertainty that kills investor enthusiasm, sentiment, and ultimately stock price performance. I mean, the earnings really don't move around all that much in any given year, but the tone coming out of Washington can be negative or positive. Incrementally, it's going in the right direction right now.
If it looks politically like one party has fared better in the deal making, whether that's President Obama or Mr. Boehner, do you buy into stocks that will benefit? In other words, healthcare for President Obama, energy for the Republicans, because will the party then have some more muscle when they get back to work in Congress and be able to push legislation through on various topics with a little bit of street cred?
Oh, that's a good question. Those tactical shifts, I think, are more useful or utilized by shorter-term investors. If you take a longer-term approach like we do, then it doesn't really matter all that much in the end. We just want some progress happening in Washington, so it doesn't matter too much. I mean, but in the near term, definitely, if it seems as though things are getting really bad and sequester is now the outcome, you can only imagine what that's going to do to defense stocks. But again, that's a near-term impact to the market and particular sectors.